Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. Today we are going to talk about how to knit two together and purl two together. This is a simple method of decreasing stitches in pattern. To get started, you will need your project with your working stitches on your needle, and of course your yarn and your knitting needles. For this demonstration, I will knit two and knit two together to the end of the row. So we'll start with just a simple knit two, knit one, knit two. Now, to work our knit two together, it's as simple as it sounds. You take two stitches and knit those two stitches together. So we will take our right hand needle, bring it down below the second stitch, bring our needle through both stitches on the left needle, and then work as if to knit, and slide both stitches off. So it's just like a simple knit stitch, but you're knitting two stitches together. Alright, let's knit two and another knit two together. Just knit both stitches together and off as if they were one stitch. To finish, I will just knit two stitches. Okay, let's demonstrate the purl two together. I'll do the same thing, purl two and then purl two together. Purl one, purl two, and then again we will just purl two together as if they are one. So bring your right needle through the first stitch, through the second stitch, purl those stitches together, and slide both stitches off the left needle. Alright, purl two more, and then purl two together. Just like that. Now you can see that we have decreased our stitches. This method of knitting stitches together applies for any number of stitches you are knitting together. For example, if we are knitting 3 stitches together, we do it exactly the same. Count 3 stitches, come below the bottom stitch, through all of the stitches you're knitting together, wrap your needle around, come through, and slide all of those stitches off. Again, a knit 3 together is knitting all 3 stitches together and sliding those stitches off. This also applies for purling together. For example, if we were to purl 4 stitches together, come into the top stitch, go through as many stitches as you are purling together. So here we're going through 4 stitches, and just purl as normal, coming back through all of those stitches and sliding off the needle. Congratulations! You now know how to knit two together and purl two together. It makes decreasing simple and easy. If you are interested in more knitting tutorials, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel for tutorial notifications by either clicking the notification bell or signing up for emails via our newsletter. And we hope to see you back again soon. Happy knitting!